What if everything you've been told about money is completely wrong? What if wealth has nothing to do with luck, or being born rich, or becoming a financial genius? What if the real difference between ordinary people and wealthy people is simply consistency? A small decision, repeated for years, every single day. People spend money without thinking. Coffee, fast food, random online shopping, subscriptions they barely use, entertainment that disappears in a few hours, and none of it feels dangerous in the moment, because it's only $10, only $20, only $50. But over time, those small habits quietly shape your future. Now imagine something different. What if instead of spending $50 every month, you invested it, not into random companies, not into hype, but into the biggest technology companies building the future of artificial intelligence? Nvidia, AMD, Microsoft, Google, Amazon. 5 companies quietly competing in the biggest technological revolution of modern history. Artificial intelligence, the technology changing business, education, healthcare, entertainment, finance, and almost every industry on Earth. These companies are no longer just tech companies. They are building the infrastructure of the future itself. The chips powering AI, the servers training intelligent systems, the cloud networks running the internet, the technology shaping the next generation of human civilization. Now imagine this. You start investing in 2015, and no matter what happens, you never stop. Every single month, you keep investing. Month after month, year after year, for more than a decade. No emotional trading, no panic selling, no trying to predict crashes, no watching charts every hour, just patience and consistency. Back in 2015, most people saw Nvidia as a gaming company, just graphics cards, just gaming hardware, nothing more. But hidden behind the scenes, artificial intelligence was beginning to rise. Researchers needed massive computing power. AI models needed stronger chips. Data centers needed faster systems. And Nvidia happened to build exactly what the future required. At first, almost nobody noticed. Then slowly, the world started changing. Machine learning became more powerful. AI systems became smarter. Tech companies started racing toward artificial intelligence. And suddenly, Nvidia became one of the most important companies in the world. Its stock price exploded year after year. The growth continued. What once looked ordinary started becoming historic. Then there was AMD, a completely different story. For years, AMD struggled badly. Many investors believed the company would never recover. Its stock traded at extremely low prices. Confidence disappeared. Most people ignored it completely. But slowly, AMD started rebuilding. Better technology, stronger products, new leadership, more innovation, and eventually, the company fought its way back into the spotlight. Sometimes the companies people doubt the most become the biggest surprises later. Then came Microsoft. Calm, quiet, strategic. While other companies chased attention, Microsoft focused on infrastructure, cloud computing, enterprise software, artificial intelligence, and then one partnership changed everything: OpenAI. Suddenly, Microsoft wasn't just a software company anymore. It became one of the biggest AI players on Earth. Its cloud systems powered businesses globally. Its AI tools entered offices, schools, and workplaces everywhere, and investors noticed quickly. Google faced a different challenge. For years, Google dominated the internet: search, YouTube, Android, advertising, maps, email, almost everything. But artificial intelligence created a new threat. For the first time in years, Google risked falling behind, so the company transformed itself. It pushed deeper into AI, machine learning, cloud systems, intelligent search. Because surviving the AI era required evolution. Then there was Amazon. Most people think Amazon is just online shopping, but the real machine behind Amazon was AWS, Amazon Web Services, one of the largest cloud infrastructures on Earth. And AI depends on cloud computing. AI requires servers, storage, massive processing power, and Amazon became one of the companies supplying that power to the world, year after year. Your investments continued growing. At first, the gains felt small. Sometimes markets crashed. Sometimes fear took over headlines, inflation, recessions, economic panic. And during those moments, most people stopped investing. Some sold everything. Others became too afraid to continue. But consistency ignores emotion. Consistency keeps moving forward, even during uncertainty. And eventually, compounding started becoming powerful. That's when everything changes. Small amounts stop behaving like small amounts, and time begins multiplying your money. Then the AI boom accelerated everything. Nvidia exploded upward. AMD surged higher. Microsoft climbed steadily. Google recovered stronger. Amazon expanded globally. And suddenly, a simple monthly investment habit started turning into something massive. Think about that for a moment. Just $50 per month into each company, $250 total every month, $3,000 every year, over 12 years, only $36,000 invested. That's it. Not millions, not impossible wealth, not lottery money, and yet, the portfolio could potentially grow into hundreds of thousands of dollars. That's the power of long-term investing, not hype, not gambling, not chasing trends every week. Patience, consistency, time. The three things most people underestimate, because real wealth is usually built slowly, quietly, without excitement in the beginning. Most people quit too early. Most people stop during crashes. Most people wait for the perfect time, but the perfect time rarely exists, and the market rewards patience more than emotion. The craziest part? None of this required being a financial genius. No day trading, no predicting crashes, no complicated strategies, no perfect timing. Just one simple decision repeated consistently, again and again and again, month after month, year after year. That's how compounding works. Slow in the beginning, powerful in the end. And now the world is entering a completely new era. Artificial intelligence is still growing. AI systems are becoming smarter. Businesses are changing. Entire industries are transforming. Jobs are evolving. Technology is accelerating faster than ever before. Some experts believe AI could become as important as electricity. Others believe it could reshape the global economy completely. Nobody knows exactly what happens next. But one thing is clear. Artificial intelligence is not slowing down, and the companies building the future may continue becoming even larger over time. Imagine looking back 10 years from now. Imagine realizing the AI revolution was only beginning, and the biggest opportunities existed while most people were distracted. History repeats this pattern constantly. The internet changed the world. Smartphones changed the world. Social media changed the world. And now artificial intelligence is starting another transformation. The people who recognize technological shifts early often benefit the most later. But most people ignore change in the beginning because the future rarely looks obvious while it's happening. At first, every major innovation seems uncertain, risky, overhyped, temporary, But later, it suddenly feels inevitable. That's how history works. And maybe the most important lesson here is not about stocks at all. Maybe the real lesson is understanding time, because time rewards consistency more than intensity. Small actions repeated long enough become powerful. A single workout changes nothing. But years of workouts transform a body. One book changes little. But years of reading transform a mind. And one small investment may seem meaningless, but years of investing can completely transform financial reality. That's the hidden power most people underestimate. Not speed, not hype, not shortcuts, consistency, and patience. The ability to continue, even when results are invisible in the beginning, because in the early stages, compounding looks slow, almost disappointing, but eventually, growth becomes exponential, and that's when everything changes. So now the real question becomes, which company will dominate the next decade? Nvidia, AMD, Microsoft, Google, Amazon, or maybe a company nobody is paying attention to yet, because history has shown something fascinating. The future usually looks obvious only after it already happened.